I've got such a sweetheart behind me. This is a 57 Bel Air, no post, V8 power, overdrive transmission on the column with AC, power steer, power disc brakes, and the candy paint. Come along as we go for an in-depth tour and a whole drive around town today in this new arrival 57 Chevy. Dig the Tri-5s, last year of them, this 57 here, and this is a really stellar example. It's been completely restored. It looks like it was painted yesterday, but I know it was done some years ago. The bright work on it's incredible. We got all chrome, none of that black stuff. It looks great. Badging looks wonderful. Let's get right to it. Hoo-hoo-hoo! My goodness, that is clean. Love the fin valve covers, love the matching fin air cleaner, dual polish master, polish booster behind that. We've got a billet front drive on it. It's been converted to 6 ribs, so no more V-belt. So we got vintage AC added on here. We got a nice aluminum radiator with an electric fan. We also got a nice period correct Delco topper. Love it. Trans cooler up front, AC condenser, and that aluminum radiator I was telling you about. Really clean all over the place. We'll start jumping down the side of it. I see great flat paint, see nice gaps. Got a nice set of 17-inch torque thrust wheels. Beyond that, we got some nice brand new looking disc brakes. And these tires are 235/40s, and I like their 18s actually. Tight. Good gaps, gorgeous glass. Got stainless polished wipers, very trick mirror, gorgeous gaps. Check these out. The little rain gutters are all working like they should. Our gas fill is in good shape, as is the hinged door there. I made a crucial mistake earlier today, and I've locked the keys in the trunk of this car, but we will have pictures of that for you on the website. It looks great. There's a spare in there. Dual stainless tips, like the rolled tip. Nice big sharp fins. There's nothing to really gripe about on this car. Paint's great, the bright work's great. Wheels are pretty sassy. I like the gold Chevrolet on the brow of that hood. Doors open up nicely. Beautiful door cards. Looks like new carpet kit, new seat covers front to back. New wheel. This is good looking in here. Nice factory dash. They haven't cut this thing up to put a double dent in here. Factory radio location. But it's been upgraded. It now has AM, FM, and a tape deck. See our vintage AC vents. One in the center, 2 on either side. This does retain its original VIN tag, which is very nice. There's 381 miles since restoration. The interior looks really nice. This dash pad, the paint is all polished up on it. A nice little speaker guard up top here looks good. New looking mirror. Visors look new. Headliner looks new. Out back, rear seats look like $1 million. I dig the finish on these buttons. The rear cards look great, all the matching material. And we have a mono speaker in the package tray. Power steering feels excellent. One upgrade I like, they got rid of the 20-inch steering wheel and got us down to like a 15 or a 16 here. Feels good. You have a lot more leg room. It's really nice. Power brakes bring this to a stop with little to no effort at all. It's really nice. The 700 R4 has got 4 speeds, so it's got an overdrive. Really nice to cruise in. Doing about 20 right now. Somewhere probably in the middle of the second. The road opens up just a hair up here, and we'll step on it a bit and get you at some cruising speeds. The under dash speaker is playing well. This 350 under here is a nice upgrade over the 283. No trouble getting this big car up and moving. Alignment's good, it's taking the bumps well. The windshield's all clear. I don't see any chips or cracks, scratches. Come down in the turn, take advantage of some of those suspension upgrades. Oh yeah. Feels pretty good laying a little power on coming out of that. And we're cruising. That is everything you need right there. If you want to know more about this beautiful 57, you can call us up anytime. The number is 248-714-2110, and the email will be down below, but it's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Hit us up whatever way you'd like. We're right here in Milford, Michigan. We can ship this car to you. If you want to fly in, the Detroit airport's just a couple miles away. We'd be happy to show it to you. Down in the description of all these videos, you will find a link to the full listing. In this case, it's going to be that 57. We'll get your pictures all the way around it, pictures underneath it. Just click that link and you'll see it all displayed on our website. Thank you, guys.